created in ECC.
Right.
And it has all the details in
Right.
that.
Right.
Once you ship it with the help of integration model, the product will be transferred into APO or
Right.
SCM.
Right.
And everything you have in ECC is reflected in SCM.
Right.
Okay, so in ECC it's material, there it's product, here
Right.
it's plant, in SCM it's location. Likewise, some terminology changes, but everything is up here. So
Right.
whatever you have created, BOMs, etc. in this one, have you transferred to SCM?
Actually, I did not do that part. There was another ACC consultant because I was doing, basically I'm working as a support consultant here. So I did not work on the implementation side. So they asked me to do certain things. I mean, like creating the, doing the LSMW for bombs, routings, product versions. Those things I've done in ECC, and I've just configured the SIF interface. That's it. I mean, after that, I'm just helping them right now after the implementation is done. I'm just taking care of the production support side. I mean, towards the ECC.
Okay, you have configured the SIF, that is, what you say, assigning, defining models.
Right, defining model. Yeah.
All those things.
Right. So, yeah, that's it. But that's what I'm saying. I did not do anything. I did not do anything on SCM.
Okay,
Nothing
and you are
at all.
SAP SD consultant.
Yes.
And you know this GATP is advanced module for
ATP. Yeah.
SD?
Yeah, it's an from SD side. Generally, yeah, from SD we have ATP, here we have GATP. I mean, like in SAP, just we do the MRP, MRP rules and ATP check rules and those things. But in GATP, you have like capacity planning and different stuff. Am I right?
Sometimes your voice is going very low. Could you please adjust your whatever it is?
Okay, just a second. Yeah. Okay. Hello. Yeah. Can you hear me now?
So in APO, just give me what you have idea in APO. It is just to know like from where to start and how to continue the class. It's not like interviewing you.
No. Yeah, I think I prefer to start from the beginning. That's what I'm saying. I don't know any I don't know anything about the APO. Just yeah, because I did not work anything on that side. We have APO, but I didn't work on that. So I just know a little bit of idea, but I don't know anything, to be frank.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you know the submodules of APO?
Yes, I know submodules of APO. There is a DP, there is SNP.
And which models are being implemented in your company right now?
Right now we have GATP.
Of course, definitely demand planning is there.
Yeah, demand planning we don't have complete demand planning. We have just capacity. Hello. Yeah.
Demand planning?
We don't have complete demand planning at our place. It's just a capacity planning. Okay. And GATP, and right now I think we are doing forecasting. It's just a discussion is going on for forecasting, but possibly we'll be implementing forecasting in 2015. Can you hear me?
Okay. Yeah, I can hear you. Are you able to hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, just my brief. I have 7+ years of experience in SAP APO. I have actually worked on demand planning. Okay, and just last month also I have trained an SD consultant in GATP, and he got this job into GATP. Okay, are you there?
Yes, I'm there.
Okay.
Hello. Yeah.
Muted?
You want me to mute? Yeah, I just muted it so I can. You will not get disturbed with the noise here. Yeah.
Okay. I'll give a brief just overview of SAP APO right now.
Okay, that's nice.
SAP APO comes under SAP SCM, Supply Chain Management.
Right.
Okay? SCM has APO, Advanced Planning and Optimization, Event Management, and Inventory Collaboration Hub. APO is the widely used one in SAP SC.
Right.
So event management, inventory collaboration are very rare. So in APO, there are four major modules. Like demand planning, first one demand planning, supply network planning, supply network planning, PPDS, production planning, and detailed scheduling, GATP, global available to promise. And this APO or this one, ECC is connected to APO along with core interface. Okay, so okay, now you can see. Okay, and one more thing, like at the bottom you can see on the right side, transport planning and vehicle scheduling. That is also used very rarely, especially in some huge international airports or railway stations where thousands of flights or trains incoming and outgoing. There it is there. Okay, so how this runs in this is, first in demand planning, the planning is done. Demand planning, demand is what? Like future demand. In future, how much demand would be there for a particular product in a particular region or area or country. Okay, so demand planning is the most important invention of SAP SC. It is replacing flexible planning with standard sales and operations. And please remember, demand planning is not an advanced module of flexible planning, like the GATP is advanced for SD.
Yeah.
Okay. No, it is a complete new invention. Demand planning is scientific. Flexible planning was not scientific. Okay. So in demand planning, the first thing you do is you will plan for the future. Suppose this is almost end of 2014. So for entire 2015, maybe you will do the demand plan. Okay, based on your history or records of your 2014, 13, 12, whatever you have. Okay, that demand plan. The demand planning is released to supply network planning. So in that supply network planning, they are planning for this raw material gathering, optimizing, etc. Then it is released to production planning and detailed scheduling. Okay. And this production planning and detailed scheduling is advanced module for P2, SAP production planning. Here they are planning this, and again this must be released to EC. Okay. Next comes the GATP guy into picture. Suppose this is today is 15th of October 2014, and a customer walks into you and he asks demand on 1st of January. He gives you a sales order on 1st of January or 1st of February next year. Okay, so the production has not yet been started. Okay, but how do you know? Because there is a demand planning based on that you can do. And in GATP there are different types. Like basic availability check is there. Okay, and you can directly call trigger forecasting.
Right.
Okay, you can directly call production. And one more thing, rules based availability check is there, in which you will substitute the product with a different location. Suppose there are like X and Y locations, A and B, two products are there. Suppose request or demand is for product
different plan, from plant B,
X. So what you do, using rules based, if that is not available, you can do it. Product A in location Y, you can check.
Yeah, that's what we are doing. We are rules based ability. Yeah.
Okay, that is also. So since you are having SD, you will understand GATP very clearly. And first of all, you said they'll be doing forecasting and all, right?
Right.
So here's the thing. This is the demand planning, especially standard material for demand planning. Okay, you can see this overview will be covered. Interactive planning is how to perform the practicals in the planning table that I will be doing.
Okay.
Okay, forecasting. life cycle planning, promotion. What is life cycle planning? Suppose time to time our company will be introducing new products.
Right.
If the new product, it does not have any history. Okay, it does not have any past sales data or anything. So how do? You have life cycle planning techniques to generate forecasting. Forecasting is future demand planning only. Okay. How much sales will be there in the future? That is demand planning or forecasting. Technical terminology is the forecasting. Okay. Promotion planning. How do you do promotion? Once in a while you need to do the promotion. So how much percentage you need to do? So what are the positive effects of performing promotion planning? Are there any negative effects on different products? Yes, definitely. If you do promotion for a particular product, there will be negative effects on different products. So how much, what is the percentage of positive and what is the percentage of negative? Are you at loss or are you at profit performing this promotion? You have to take everything into consideration. Definitely, by performing a promotion planning, you should have huge profits. Okay. Mass costing. Setting background jobs. You cannot do everything on your own. Everything manually doing is time taking, performance problem and all. So regularly, which have to be done, like release of forecast or something else, creating of CECs, etc. You need to set up in the background. Okay, by background jobs in SAP. That is comes under mass costing. Next one, internal business warehouses. I hope you know about SAP BW, business warehouse. Here, this is a small one, not the complete SAP BW, but that's why it is called an internal business warehouse.
Actually, even we are preparing some small reports for BW reports from APO here.
Okay,
as anyways we have BW, so we were thinking to use.
You have knowledge on BW?
No, I don't have anything about it, but we are using it. Yeah,
so
there was
in real time, especially BW consultant's job is to transfer the data into the BW InfoCube. Okay, InfoCube is the place, it's a storehouse. It's part of BW. Our target here in internal BW is the InfoCube.
Right.
Okay, to bring the data into the InfoCube. So once we transfer it to the InfoCube, from there we can do the demand planning configuration. Look at the 8th chapter. You said that you have been implemented in yours. So if demand planning is being implemented, this 8th chapter and 9th chapter must be implemented. That is planning object structure, characteristic value combinations, planning areas, planning book, data view. That is the place where you will be able to see your data and all, and where you have the icons to perform your forecasting, promotion planning, etc. Okay. So, were you actively involving with these people while they were implementing? Have they implemented these things?
That's not much, but I'm supporting them. Right now I'm going to involve a lot because once it is implemented, actually the person who was working on ECC, he moved to different project. He was working on claims right now. So they handed over me the support part. So possibly from now, I'll be involving more with ECC as well as APO.
Yeah. See, these are the things like 8th chapter plan, all this must be implemented. And in the 7th chapter, the data must be present in InfoCube. So then you will have to bring it to the planning book in the 9th chapter. In the there are so many setups, but if you follow in a particular way, see, here we are having 7th chapter as internal BW, 8th chapter as 8th unit as demand planning configuration, 9th one as planning book and data view. But in real time, it doesn't happen like that. Okay. So that's why I follow a particular system.
Okay.
How it happens in demand planning. Okay. So you see, demand planning data. First one, InfoCube flow is the 7th chapter. That is internal BW. Okay. Data is present. So how the data has to flow into the info cube. There may be many other methods for data to flow into info cube. That is not, as an APO consultant, it's not our job to do it. But I'm teaching you this because you will at least be familiar with all this terminology. Okay? Source system, application component, data source, info provider, info area, all these ones. Okay? And I will take a simple data in an Excel sheet and transfer it. Okay? Small data, not a huge one. Okay? And this procedure is the same. You take either with what you call as, you take either with small data or a large huge data, procedure is the same. So you see under what DP flow, info cube is there, from there master planning object structure. So I will be going according to this. So master planning object structure, where is it? It's the 8th chapter one, first one. After first info cube is covered in 7th chapter, master planning object structure is covered in 8th chapter. Next, storage bucket profile. Likewise, and we'll cover this is the whole unit, all units present in that.
Right.
Okay. Once you are familiar with demand planning, we can discuss about other things and we'll discuss more on DP and GATP.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So since you are already recording this one, I'll be doing this, and I suggest you to go through this one every day.
Okay. Okay.
So today, if I do the 7th chapter, I suggest you to go through the theory and the practical.
Yeah.
And I also advise you to put a running notes or something like that to take down with important.
Right. Some important points. Yeah.
Okay. Or steps while I'm performing the practicals, you may note down the steps also.
Right. Yeah.
Okay. So I was informed that you are having the access to your what is called access this SAP.
Right now I don't have it. Still I did not install it because I just came from the work. I think they sent me the server access today itself. And I just came from the work and just logged in.
Have you sent the server access?
Yeah, they sent me the server access though.
Details.
Yes.
Okay, so if you can share with me, I can make it here, and in the class I will be using. Later on I won't use. You can use it.
Right. Right. So you want to use my system?
No, you can give me your description, application server, those things.
Okay. Okay. Just a second. I will tell you. Yeah. Description ECC 6.0, application server 202.
This is for ECC?
Yeah, this is for ECC. You want this one, right?
Okay, fine. ECC, give me ECC.
ECC is 202.
202.
0.62.
62.
0.73.
73.
0.71. I think this might be SCM because they said system ID as SCM here.
Okay. Instance number?
And description they gave it as ECC 6.0. What is it? What do you call? They don't have. They did not give me instance number. They said give me system number. System ID as 36. They did not send
system
me
ID?
36. And I think the instance number is 36 and system ID is SCM. They might have messed up. Yeah.
Where is it?
73, 71. Yeah, that is the one.
Okay.
Is it wrong?
Okay. Okay, username and password?
Username APO user 250.
User 250.
Yes.
Okay.
And the password 123456.
New password. What shall we put?
Give her my name Shakir 20. SHAKEER 20. Yeah.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So I have already. What is your ECC description?
I think they did not send me CC details. There is only one.
Okay, for APO you also need ECC also.
Yeah. I'll ask them to send me, like, because it looks like they gave me only one, only ECM. Okay, I need to ask them. I'll speak with Samir.
Okay. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So now shall we directly start this doing?
Yeah, you can start it, no problem.
Okay.
Yeah.
Suppose. Shakir? Hello, Shakir? Shakir, are you there?
Yeah, I'm here. Can you hear me? Oh, can you hear me now?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, like you know what is master data, what is transaction data, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so no, like master, suppose, okay,
Mm-hmm.
just you tell me in this one.
Mm-hmm.
In the first row, could you tell me which is master data, which is transaction data? Location, is it a master data or a transaction data?
Location is a master data.
Okay, fine. Product.
Product is a master data.
Good. What about history?
Which one?
History.
History. Where is it? That should be transaction data.
Yes, that's correct.
Mm-hmm.
So you know master data, they have physical form, like product,
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
transaction data like sales history, revenue tax, they are randomly generated.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So here, see, this is only a Excel sheet of about what you say from 1st of 2013 to 9th of 2014.
Okay.
Okay. So we can perform forecast from 10th or from 2015.
From 10
It's
October
up to you.
2014 to, okay. Yeah.
Yeah. And you see there's a small distance.
Right.
These are simple data. If you want, you can change this one.
Mm-hmm.
But not necessary. I took two products, Mac 1 and Mac 2.
Right.
Okay. You can take only single product. You can take every multiple product for each month, etc.
Mm-hmm.
So what we will do, we will follow this. Data is present. Where is the data presented? Right now it's present in the Excel sheet.
Right.
Okay? By using the transaction code RSA1, we have to create source system, we have to create application component, data source, info provider, all these things you have to create. And you need to make sure your data transfers into this one, info queue.
Okay. So right now we are creating info queue, right?
Yes.
Okay.
And let me, because I have your this thing, maybe I have it.
List queue.
I'm just trying to see because your details were already in my system before. Trying to
But
see
generally, I see that in SAP, right, all the transitions start with slash and slash SAP APO slash RRP2 or something like that. Right now, I saw you typing directly. I mean,
list. I was in the main stage. Okay, first page. So list view is directly. See, from here I want to go into a different one. I will also type transaction code. Just a second. Don't worry about this step.
hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello. Shakir.
Hello.
Yeah. Hello, Shakir. Can't you hear me? Hello.
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 Hello. Can you hear me?
Yeah. Can you hear me?
Hello.
Hear you.
Hello.
Hello, Shakir.
Hello.
Yes, Shakir. Hello. Can you hear me?
Hello. Can you hear me?
Yes. I can hear you then. Hello, Shakir. Hello, Shakir. Hello, Shakir. Hello, Shakir. Hello. You can hear me?
Yes, yes. Can you hear me?
Okay, now I can hear you. Why is it?
I don't know, I lost the voice suddenly. From the time I asked you about infocus, right? That time I lost the voice. Can you go back a little bit?
Hello?
Yeah, hello.
Yeah, Shakir, what happened?
I don't know, I lost the voice. When you type the transaction or list key, right? When we were speaking about that time I lost your voice.
Okay, could you speak a little louder or adjust your mic, please? I'm able to hear you, but very slowly.
Okay, okay. Yeah. Is it okay now?
Yeah. Shakir, can you see?
Yes, I can
This
see.
one. S234_IC is the info queue. I have created this one, S234. In this one, for whom, which student, I don't know. Can you see the same data?
Yeah, you can use the
This
same.
is the data in the info queue.
Okay. So what is it? This is the transaction code S224_IC?
No, that's the name of the info queue.
Okay, okay.
Okay?
So how do you transfer it? Can you please go back?
To come to this stage, how I have done it, I'll show you.
Okay.
All the things I have set up, I'll. Over here. Okay. Okay. Can you see this S234 info area? See all these things, info area, this blue one is the info queue, transformation, this is the data source, okay? All these things I have set it up for this one.
So you have said that. Okay.
Clear?
Yeah. Yes.
And before that, we need to create source system.
Mm-hmm.
And see, this is the procedure actually you need to follow. In the tree code RSA1, source system, application component, data source, like that. And here I came, how did I come into this one? Right? See, if I press /n, it will take you to the main menu. Okay? Easy access menu. So if you type RSA1 transaction code, as a DP consultant or APO consultant, you need to remember certain transaction code.
Right.
Okay? So if you type RSA1, it will take you to press navigation no or yes, not a problem. It will take you to the data warehousing workbench modeling. Okay? Or look, go through the /n APO. This path you can go, but don't remember the T codes is the best. Okay? Demand planning. There are two things: planning and environment. There are different things in planning and different things in environment. Close the planning. In environment, you see administration of no. Data warehousing workbench. Double click. No. See, you went there. And you see in the bottom, this transaction code I'm maintaining so that you are recording, it will be recorded, so you will know which T code I am there in, or you can also note it down. Okay?
Yes.
See, this source system, it will take around 10 to 15 minutes of time. Okay, so today let's create this source system. Just to create the source system, click on the source system. Okay, and what is the source system? Source system is the one which provides data to the data mart. Data mart is the place like group of info cubes. Our target here is one info cube. Data mart is the main place where we store the data like info cube. Okay, so our data is present in this one, Excel sheet or some other external place. Okay, so first of all we need to create a source system. Clear? And everything I'm telling now is present in this 7th chapter. So you have to go through this one. Okay? This in this 7th chapter. See, administrator workbench and its components. Okay? All these things will be clearly defined along with, suppose here's the this one info area given with the figure, and let's find out what the source system. That is about the info cube. Okay, here can you see? It's simple. I will be telling you in simple words. Exactly, you can go through the theory. Source system is any system that provides data for the data mart. Example, suppose source system is present in EC system. This system is also a source system. Okay, authority system or BW system. Non-SAP system we are using now flat file, that is Excel sheet. Okay, so why I am saying is, I can take an existing source system, but I need to show you. In RSM1, you have to click on the source system. You may write down the steps if you want. Right click on this source system. Here, right click on this create. Choose this one, because ours is an Excel sheet. This one, file system, manual, metadata, data using file interface, fourth one. Okay, so there are many other also here, but we will not go deep into all those things, but because we don't know about all those things. This is done by SAP BW concept. This one you remember, the fourth one, file system, manual, metadata, data using file interface is for this. What?
Yeah, used for loading the external
Excel sheet.
Right.
Okay. So once you click on this continue, it will ask you for name.
So this would be the, yeah, okay. This will be the destination system, right? Source system. You can select desktop or from your system name.
Which one?
Oh, this is a source from which we are copying the file, right?
This is the source system. This will, from here it will act as a source system. Okay.
Okay.
Later on we will extract the Excel sheets later on in data source.
Right. Okay.
Okay. So for yours, we'll maintain this SH.
Yeah. SH
1, 2, 3.
something 1, 2, 3. Okay.
SS. Okay. For source system, I have taken SS. Okay. Description you can give any. If I click on this continue, it will take around 10 to 15 minutes of time. So
Really?
once I'm doing,
okay.
Yeah, only this one. Remaining all within seconds it will happen. Look,
Okay.
now let's go on. So we will discuss about this.
Okay. So we can just keep it aside. Yeah.
Yeah, side, and we'll discuss about the.
So
the source system
you will be sending me this document, right? This PDF file?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
This one SAP APO, do you have the standard material?
No, I don't have it. If it's not a problem, if you can share with me. Yeah.
Okay. And I'll also send you this one, so you will know this is the procedure we are following.
Okay.
Okay. And meanwhile, there is small arrangements to be done for this Excel. Okay. See, you know, version in SAP APO must be active version is 000.
Right.
001, 002 to 00, and it's inactive version. But mathematically, what is 000? Mathematically, it's 0, right?
Right.
See, suppose here 0. I press enter. I type 000, and I'm going to the next line. What is it taking? 000 is simply 0.
0. Yeah.
Okay. Calendar. Okay. I want it should be in this format: 01.2013, 02.2013. If it's 10, okay, 10 dot. It should be 6 digits.
Okay.
I press enter. 0 is gone. Why? Because 0 in front of any number is of no meaning.
Right.
So we need to do a small formatting things for this one. Select this version, total row. You can drag it down and select, or simply you select one cell, the top one, place this on the corner, like the plus mark on the corner, double click. It will automatically select the whole thing.
Right.
Okay. Right click, format cell.
Change it. Okay.
Okay. You may write down also if you want, or later on you can see the recording and do. Now you are taking it in a text format.
Right.
So text means what does it say? Text format cells are treated as text even when a number is in the cell. The cell is displayed exactly as entered. So if you enter 000, it will take as 000 only.
Right.
Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Now you choose this text, enter. See? Now it's not going.
Yeah, you can
You
just
may drag it down or select the whole row. It will be increased. Your shortcut is press Control D. So everything will be equal now.
Right.
The same thing for this one also. Calendar, right click, format cells, text, okay, 01.2013, simply change 02.2013, or 2013, not 2013. See 10, if it is 10, we can directly take 10.2013,
Yeah.
11.2013, 12.2013. Here I will take like 01 dot. I need to change it to 2014. So from here, if I take this one, okay, everything is no. You can do in any way. You can drag it down or the control D. It will take all equal. So I'll have to
At
change.
my place, actually, they are doing this planning based on the weeks. Yeah.
Okay, clear, Shakir?
Yes.
Okay. You can see those little arrow marks, green arrow marks. So don't worry about all these things. This we need because we have to transfer it like this. Okay.
Yeah.
This is not actually APO.
Right.
Now you have to save it and do not open it because you lose your test format.
Okay.
Okay.
You want to save it as desktop delimiter now, or save it as Excel itself?
You wait. You have to save it in CSV format.
CSV, okay.
Right. 1, 2, 3. I'm just putting dots CSV, and you see this is
Okay.
so many methods are there. CSV. CSV. You will in future you will separate the data with a comma.
Right.
Okay. Remember.
Yeah.
Save. Yes. You may close it and please do not open it. It's already saved, so I press don't save. Let me this is okay. It's saved on this one desktop. See, it is still taking time to create this one.
Yeah. Still it's not 15 minutes, right? Yeah.
Okay, it will be saved on desktop. Don't worry about that. And please do not open that one. Okay. So next, after this, application component. What is an application component? If I can open this. What is your this name?
Username APO user 250
Okay.
and Shakir 20. Password Shakir 20.
So tomorrow we'll finish the data flow into the info queue. Okay?
Sir, tomorrow we'll finish. Okay, info queue.
Yeah, because today source system is taking and we have almost finished 1 hour now. It will take at least, if you are able to follow, I mean, you are already SAP SD consultant and all, you will be knowing. And since it's recorded, later on you can also, okay.
Yeah, I can check it. Yeah.
It's already logged in, so I don't want to disturb our creation of source system.
No, you can go with continue with this logon without ending the system, right?
Yeah, okay, but
Second
two
option.
persons can't open at this time. Okay?
Okay.
So, what we will do is, the data after creating the source system will create an application component. Application component is a business oriented organization term for this info sources. Okay? And from there we will create data source. Data source is a place where we will give info object template. You know what is an info object? Now you know what is master data.
No.
You know what is transaction data.
Right.
Okay? Master data is called as characteristic. You know that?
Right.
Transaction data is called as? Master data is called as characteristic. And transaction data is called as? Key figures.
I don't know what. What is that?
Key figures.
Excuse me. Key figures.
Key figure. Master data, transaction data. Master data is characteristics. You may write down. Transaction data is key
master
figures.
data is characteristics. Key figures. Okay.
Key figures. Transaction data is key figures. Master data characteristic, transaction data key figures. Okay. Info object means all this together. General name. Characteristics plus key figures together are called as info object.
Characteristics plus
key figures together.
Key figures together called as info objects. Okay.
Yeah,
so
that means master data and transaction data together
and
called as info.
transaction.
Okay. So this one. We'll have info object template. We'll assign info object templates. Suppose in our Excel sheet there is a location and there is a product. For location, we will assign standard info object template 9A LOCNO, LOCNO, that is designed by SAP.
Right.
Okay. So by assigning that, you are teaching the server for the first time that this location means just a field, alphabetical field here. Until and unless you assign something called as 9A LOCNO, it's just some alphabets in that. Location Tata is alphabets. Okay. It has no meaning, but once you are assigning that, okay, this location is location type characteristic, and when that is starting with 9A, it is used for planning. So in future, you can do planning with location. You are confused, right?
Okay. I'm confused a little bit now. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Just tomorrow, while we are doing slowly, you will get it. What I'm saying is, in data source, suppose for our Excel sheet for location, you will be assigning a info object template like 9A LOCNO. So 9A LOCNO has a meaning for SAP already. That is 9A LOCNO is it is used for characteristics only. And LOCNO is location type characteristic. Yeah, it is master data. It is location type of master data. Okay. And whatever starts with 9A, it is used for planning. Suppose you see here 9A Matner is there. Right. I'll show you that later, but see, this is gone, so ours must be created. Let's check for our this one. source system, SH, this one, right? Can you see?
Yes, I can see that. Shakir source system, yeah.
Yes. From here on, we need to continue. Anyway, it's 7:30 now, so let's do one thing. You don't have this material? How do I transfer it to you? Should I transfer to them and they'll transfer it to you? Or?
You can send me an email. You can send an email to me. I'll just share my email ID here.
Okay, I think they have replied like I must transfer it to them.
Okay. No problem.
Okay, and tomorrow,
Okay.
if you can have this one, like just a basic reading of this one. Even if you don't read, it's fine. I'll finish the info cube thing tomorrow.
Just complete, you want me to complete the info queue part, right?
Yeah, tomorrow I'll finish the info cube chapter.
Okay. Okay. I'll just do my reading. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So